I'm suggesting to you lost the case in the magistrate's court in Mombasa.
Quindi lui suggerisce che
Not to pay the police.
se tu che hai pagato la polizia o hai dato i soldi a Modugno per pagare la polizia.
Modugno non prende i miei soldi, uno, perché Modugno è una...
Do a direct translation. Did she say what happens in Italy? In that long conversation.
Hai detto quello che succede in...
It's in English.
It's in Italian.
You have the interpretation.
Balsi di false copie di chiavi, non lo so come hanno fatto, non lo so.
You know, this is a long-winded explanation.
Sono domande tecniche, non posso...
Il suo problema è Armeno Modugno, volevo tutto intorno a Armeno Modugno.
He Limited acquired this property in 2014. Ask the question. It's in Italian, see whether you recognize that.
Un'altra lettera che è stata scritta di nuovo.
E questo chi me l'ha mandato a me? Sempre questo? C'è una mia firma qui? Non ricordo, io non rammento. No.
Yes? And that is why you went to the Chief Magistrate Court in Mombasa to ask for your money, correct? So who is the letter from? Who wrote the letter?
Da chi è la lettera?
At the top there you can see the name
Chi
of
ha
Dallo
scritto?
studio Chi Macchia.
I nomi delle soci sono scritti. Quali sono?
Ma Chi Macchia Magara e Partners non è... Ho mischiato la polizia, se come dice lui, ho mischiato la polizia, perché? Un po' di anni fa le luci c'erano.
Many years when I was there, I know the
Anche la mia luce.
participating in that group.
Non ho più scritto né tantomeno seguo più il gruppo.
I don't read, I don't write anything.
This application should be served upon the KIlifi and for the counsel.
Sì, ho rifiutato le share. Sì, sì, sì. Avevo detto al mio avvocato di scrivere questa lettera.
You refuse to pay service charge because you're not swimming in the swimming pool?
Quindi dici che non volevi pagare le tasse condominiali perché non nuotavi?
I give it to so and so, or I do not know this document.
Otherwise,
We are creating insinuations, factual insinuations. Let him show the witness the document.
It's in Italian.
Di che cosa dice? Se hai capito bene, di che cosa dice?
Che rifiuto di avere le share.
Quindi una documentazione
Sì.
che tu dici che sei d'accordo che loro devono.
One.
No, penso di averne comprata una, ma non è intestata a me.
I think I have bought one, but it is not mine because I don't have any document.
Serving an answer to answer the questions decisively without giving much explanation.
Dice che non
Maybe
deve
have the counsel for the
give them the permission to continue with the appeal.
Okay, very good. So you know that.
We are Muslims, we understand the court.
I have another request.
Poi c'è scritto qui, traducimi perché io sinceramente non ci capisco niente.
The appellant there is written up.
Retanapol Government Appellant.
But the provision issue needs to be in place to restore what the court has taken as application of its power. The interpretation as PMFI 1, 5A and B.
Yes, 5 years. I want to.
Quale data?
2021.
È la data.
Cosa vuole sapere? La data?
La data che sta. I swear to tell the truth and the whole truth. God help me. Okay.
You said the lady is
Michael Lucare.
That letter.
Ah, questa è la seconda
Ma
parte.
me l'ha già detto prima che ha firmato prima, ma ce l'ha questo Modugno però, avvocato.
Who signed that letter?
Abbiamo già letto prima.
a name will serve as an answer.
Ma mi sembra che ripetiamo le cose continuamente.
Solo i nomi, un'altra lettera. Guarda.
Allora, Armeno Modugno.
Limited acquired the freehold title in 2014.
Introduction, then you hand him over to counsel for further examination. So, Mr. Kenya, with respect, all I'll say is that there is nothing.
Trovato il certificato di proprietà della villa.
Sono contenta per lei.
It's a certificate of age.
Yes.
È un ruscello.
She said yes, it is there.
Okay. Is there a garden there?
C'è un giardino.
Sì, ho messo anche...
The application to this varying of the others.
This is what I said. It has been done.
That order, they make the application but not formally. Because I have no time to go to Mombasa and because what is urgent, I'm not trying to go to Mombasa. Do you want to change the evidence you gave to the police that my client, that I think limited, it was not the owner of the property?
No, la domanda
Non
è...
ci andavo mai, non conosco chi sono Zecchini,
Scusa.
conosco solo loro.
Another document say to me, back this PMF 13 or 2021. Which restaurant?
Non è sicuro 2021 2022.
Read this message here. Sono l'avvocato. Read that message. You're the one to Hey, relax.
In the country on 14th of November in time for hearing of their case on the said dates. Without knowing the next hearing dates, they have traveled itinerary out of the country for 22nd November 2024, a day after the last hearing. Accused person's travel arrangement is tantamount to putting court on notice that when they come for the hearing, they will only stay in the country during the hearing period, after which they will fly out of the country, and therefore no proceedings should be undertaken until or unless they come back again. It's another way of telling the court to align its diary with their travel plans. The conditions granted by the court have been abused and misused by the accused persons, and the court has been reduced into a mere spectator on when the accused persons can leave the country and come back and the reasons for such travel. But most importantly, when the case should be fixed for hearing, lest the hearing dates inconvenience the accused persons by interfering with their travel plans. The accused persons seemingly in control of the court proceedings cannot be countenanced by the court. For the above reasons, the orders, the conditions issued by the court on 29th of May 2024 are vacated, they are set aside and varied by doing away with the participation or clearance of the DCI and the following directions given. 1. In the event the accused persons need to travel out of the country, they will file a formal application in court, which application shall be served upon the ODPP and all the counsel watching brief for the victims. For avoidance of doubt, the condition above does affect the accused persons' travel plans they had put for 22nd of November 2024. They will need to contact their airline carrier to keep the tickets open for use at a future date or cancel the tickets altogether. The court is alive to the fact that there could be cause implication on the part of the accused persons, but the condition issued need to be in place to restore what the court has taken as usurpation of its powers to the control of its diary and the proceedings herein are in the best interest of justice. Number 2, the accused person's travel out of the country shall be by the order of the court, and the Directorate of Immigration shall ensure that any such travel by the accused persons is with a court order as such. Number 3, the accused persons shall deposit back their passports in court immediately following the ruling hearing. Any return of the passport to the accused person will always be upon authorization of their travel out of the country by way of a court order. There was the last prayer for hearing and determination of the case on priority basis. The core function and also the mission of the judiciary is expedient and efficient disposal of cases, meaning how fast and how well we do it. That notwithstanding, there are cases which, among other factors for consideration, either from the nature of the charges, the circumstances of the parties, or the history of the case, call upon fast-tracking or hearing of a case on priority basis. The history of these charges is that they were first instituted way back on 8th of September 2023 against the accused persons and Lafiki Limited, before they were withdrawn by the ODPP on 20th of November 2023, and later the present charges were preferred on 29th of April this year. I have perused the proceedings hearing. The history of the case shows a number of activities undertaken that are worth noting. There have been applications for disqualification of the initial landed counsel on record for the accused persons, Mr. Tukelo Orekina, and which application was allowed by my sister in court number 2. There was an application for recusal of my sister in the same court. There was the application which gave rise to the orders or the condition charged in this application. We have the present application within which I made a ruling on my recusal, and finally, there are the orders I have made above in this application. All these chain of events calls for hearing of this case on priority basis. The ruling counsels will be posted shortly in the judiciary CTS.
Now is because of the other place, it's a million shillings lost because of the other. So I'll make the application. The application I'm making is varying that order to allow me to make an oral application tomorrow morning instead of a formal application for that party. Yes. You can see the hour now. I practice at Mombasa. Yes. There is simply no time for me to go to my office, prepare and file a form application for their departure from Kenya. I asked them today around 11 o'clock when we were making the arrangements with the DCI for their departure. And I told them that I will be able to change the ticket if there is further delay. And they told me, no, it's not possible. I went to ask them, Daniel, I must know, how much is your air ticket from here to Italy? Ask. Yeah, please. It's the one I need to call to answer. Because I forgot the figure, I forgot the amount.
They can only be witnesses for them to answer.
It's 1,500. Which currency? Euros or dollars? 1,500 euros per person. That is 3,000 euros. How much is the euro?
you are making.
So I'm saying that is nearly 500,000 shillings.
I get you.
You get me on.
You go back to the ruling.
So, yes, so in the interest of justice and overriding objectives, will allow me to take instructions so that I can make an oral application here tomorrow morning in the presence of the prosecutor and Mr. Jim. There is no time for me to go to my office today to prepare for application. Yes, I'll make the oral application tomorrow after getting these instructions. If you get your money tomorrow, written up. If you get your money tomorrow, or next week, or next month, will you still be here? Yes? And that is why you went to the Chief Magistrate Court in Mombasa to ask for your money, correct? Why did you involve the police on the question of access to your villa?
When
Io a Rafiki non andavo più.
When I did, I made a statement that the police had made the decision that I no longer need that villa.
Spiegazione però.
Now you have been prevented from going to your villa at Rafiki Village, yes?
Sei stato bloccato di entrare nella tua villa a Rafiki, vero?
Certo.
Yes.
Sì.
Because you're not paid service charge.
Perché non pagavi le tasse
No,
condominiali?
no. Rifiuto questo.
I refuse that one.
Vuoi, do spiegazioni. Ho sempre pagato.
I've always paid.
Visto che non c'era nessuna intestazione a mio nome, mi sembrava inutile pagare.
After seeing that there was nothing attested in my name, then I thought it was not wise to continue paying.
I give it to so and so, or I do not know this document.
How many
Otherwise,
warrants of
we are
arrest
creating insinuations, factual insinuations. Let him show the witness the document.